This video will teach you how to use the Fluor-Tile to set up the corrector, to recalibrate the background of the tiled images and complete the stitching process. The tool will use two other important plugins in ImageJ, Basic and Big Stitcher. Okay, our first step is to import the tool into ImageJ. In the folder, select the downloaded Groovy script. Then drag it into ImageJ. After successfully opening the script, you will see at the top of the script there is detailed instructions for your reference. After clicking Run, the tool will display the first dialog box. Below in this window, we need to set all the parameters for the subsequent execution of the program. The first setting is the location of the original file. After clicking the Browser button, select the original image from the folder. The tool supports two file formats, XI and LIF. Note that in the file path cannot be any spaces. The second parameter is the reference channel used during the stitching process. The reference channel affects the stitching quality. Shading Corrector offers two execution modes. The first is automatic mode. It will do all the work at once according to the reference channel you specify. If you need to pause midway to check the stitching quality, please choose the second mode, manual mode. This video demonstrates how to use manual mode to calibrate and stitch images. After clicking Run, the program will perform background calibration for each channel. The time it takes depends on your computer's processing power. Remember, file names must not contain any spaces. Additionally, what we need is the original image that has not been processed. After stitching is complete, a review window will pop up. At that point, you can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out to check if there are any seams in the image. Or you can adjust brightness and contrast to inspect the stitching quality in more detail. If you find that the stitching quality is poor, or if there are uneven brightness levels or visible seams, you can also click to change the reference channel, to reselect the reference channel for stitching. If the stitching result is acceptable, please click on Next Channel, and the program will process the next channel image. OK, we click on Go Next to continue processing the final channel image. Finally, once all channels are complete, click Finish to conclude the process. All important information to note during the process will be displayed in ImageJ's console window. The processed image will appear in the original folder under the original data name.